Welcome to the 48th lesson of SmartKnitter, Knit Instructions Level 2. In this lesson, we will demonstrate techniques to correct issues encountered with wrong course counts. Let's look at this example with polo neck opening. We can see that at the neck bottom, feeder 3 knits all the way to the right side of the panel and brought back into the knitting area with tucks. Let's go back to SmartGraph. Check the row count from the sweep to the neck opening bind-off row. There are 597 rows. As there are only odd number of rows, the feeder couldn't go back to the initial side. Remove a row below the neck opening cast off and translate again. Now the feeder direction is correct. Let's look at another panel example with intarsia at the bottom and partial jacquard at the chest area. We can see the feeder direction for the intarsia feeder 4 is incorrect. Back to SmartGraph. Check the row count for the intarsia pattern. There are 41 rows. Delete a row from the intarsia section and translate again. Now there is no long floats within the panel area. Let's look at another panel with intarsia. Translate the original file. We can see the linking tucks are not consistent at the transition. Back to SmartGraph and remove a row below the intarsia section. Translate again. Now the tucks are consistent at the transitions. Let's look at another example with partial jacquard. Translate the original file. We can see that there are floats with tucks at the beginning of the jacquard section from feeder 3. This is caused by an odd number of rows from feeder 3. Remove a row before the partial jacquard. Translate again. Now there is no floats and tucks in the panel area. This marks the end of this tutorial. Thank you for watching.